Okay, just another quick video. So when you install Arch, so a clean new install of Arch, it's got a very minimal setup for obvious reasons. It's Arch. So when you go to, let's just open the file explorer. So with other distros, they include all the folders that you are used to, like home folders, pictures, downloads, and so on. But with Arch, it doesn't include all that. These pictures I've actually created myself before I knew about that command that I'm going to show you just now. There's a minimal setup, and well, this, let me just quickly show you. It will actually look like this without the pictures. And if I want to see the hidden files, it's Control H just to see all the other stuff. But anyway, there is no folders that you are probably used to. So in order to get all those other folders, we want to let's just kill that for now. Let's open. I need to change this light color to a dark color. Right, so we need to install xdg-user-dirs, D-I-R-S. Where is it now? Yeah, xdg-user-dirs. So let's just install that. You can do it with sudo pacman or yay. Doesn't matter. Anyway, let's just yay that. -s xdg-user-dirs, and not the update, obviously. So just install that. And let's see if it works. First time I'm doing it actually now. Right, and then you have to update it. So you just put an update at the back. Update. Boom, look at this side. Look at that. There's documents, downloads, music, pictures, and so on and so forth. Nice. That's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, so like and subscribe if you like this video, and yeah, tell me in the comments what other commands is pretty useful in Arch. I would like to know. So yeah, good.